Orientation estimation is one of the common tasks in embedded systems. Drones, robots, wearables, they all need it. But if you try to build one from scratch, you know how painful it is. First, you have raw data issues, then you have to do the calibration, also need to deal with complex data fusion algorithms. So that's why I decided to build this browser-based tool that makes the whole process visual and easy to debug. So let me show the main features of this tool. So first thing, you need to connect your microcontroller. Currently I'm using just a simple Arduino Nano. So we need to stream the IMU data over a serial port. And here on browser, you need to use either Google Chrome or Edge. So you just need to connect to the serial port, just like this. Then the first thing, you can check the accelerometer and the gyroscope data. So for example, I'm shaking like crazy, and you can see how the data is changing, like following the motion of the IMU. So this way I can easily verify that I'm getting the correct data. Next, the calibration. I'm plotting each pair of the magnetometer readings, so this way I can easily remove the hard iron bias, and the same way I can remove the gyroscope biases as well. And finally, we have different data fusion algorithms. So currently I have 4. For example, we can start from the really basics using just the accelerometer and the magnetometer data, and it's very shaky. Okay, and also in addition, I have a complementary filter which requires much less computational power compared to other algorithms, but it works pretty well. Okay. And also we have Madwick extended Kalman filter, for example. So this is how you can work with. And to stream the IMU data, I've prepared a firmware for Arduino and STM32 MCU. So if you just click this firmware, you will end up with this GitHub page. So we have the source code for Arduino and the STM32 covering almost all IMU sensors you can find in the market. I also want to mention that I have the attitude estimation course that goes deep into these algorithms that I just presented, and which will help you to build the firmware from scratch. So you can find the link to that course in the description below. Okay, thanks a lot and see you soon, and please don't forget to press the subscription button because I will be releasing more videos related to that topic, and hope to see you soon. Bye.